Main interface. Open the recipe management. Password is lowercase m. Click New. Input palletizing name. You can choose the template to create a new model. Enter the measured box parameters. Confirm that there is no error and click Next. Input the measured parameters of the pallet. Confirm that there is no error and click on the next step. Select the interface of stamping type. There are 11 kinds of stamping type to choose by default can be based on the choice of stamping type on the modifications. Here choose stomp type 1 for demonstration. Confirm that there is no error and click Next. Stomp type adjustment interface. You can choose the number of layers and the interval between layers. You can choose to mirror, rotate, and other ways to modify the stamping pattern. Default new unnumbered layer and even numbered layer. Click Restore to modify the default stamping pattern. Confirm that there is no error and click Next. Forward and backward point settings. Confirm that there is no error and click Next. Select the established stomp type. Use the preset to establish the stamping pattern. After saving, it will generate two left and right stamping patterns that mirror each other. Click Edit. Do not use the template form. Enter the layer type editing. Modify the demonstration. Free choice to add or delete objects. A variety of ways to operate. When the layer type cannot be deleted in the process of use. You can choose to copy the current layer type to create a new one. Re-enable the newly created layer type. When the stomp type cannot be deleted in the process of use. Modify the stomp type in use, click Confirm. When the stomp type is not in use, it can be deleted.